in the gallery. And then the defense is happy to chill with the defendant.
Yes, thank you very much.
Yep, no problem, my friend. Everyone is ready?
Give me a second.
No problem. Make sure sunglasses are off for everyone. Unless you are prescribed. Just take your sunnies off for us, boss.
Man, I
Thank
got
you
you,
very
mate.
much.
Don't want to flag
Love
my
your work.
riches, yes.
You know, you're a good brother. Thank you very much.
Man, this is the first time I see Mandy without glasses.
That's alright.
It brings out her cheeks. Yeah, yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. Yes.
Does this person need to be searched?
Yep.
You are all good?
Thank you.
No problem.
Have you read through the case file?
Who's the judge today?
Mr. Crazy John.
Did you want me to take you out of custody?
Oh,
You've been very compliant. I'm trusting you.
Yeah, no.
I believe you can be very chill. Alright.
I'm a man for the community.
Love it, love it. Oh, perfect. Got another sheriff. Hello. Yeah, if you want to be bailiff.
Wait, where's the magistrate?
They're not in yet. We're waiting for them now.
That late.
Yeah.
I believe they're in their chambers.
Yeah, they're just getting ready.
I thought I was late and early.
Have you been bailiff before?
No, but I have a pretty good idea from OPP.
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
Do you hear that person yell at?
No?
Someone just yelled, "Let me in."
I don't think so. Is anyone waiting on anyone?
I'll go have a look.
Do you know radio?
Oh yeah, shit, we'll get on it, sorry.
No, we're not on sheriff radio. 142.143.
Radio check.
All good?
I'm heading down now.
Roger.
cut off.
It shouldn't do. Hey, fam. No problem. All rise.
Hello, Auntie.
I don't have her.
Hello there.
Good evening.
That look deadly.
You may be seated.
Hello, welcome to the MCV. Can everybody hear me?
Yes, Your Honor.
I can hear you, Uncle.
Okay. So welcome to the MCV. Sorry, I've said that again. Thank you for coming. I'm leading senior magistrate John Papadopoulos. Can't pronounce my name, just say Your Honor. But anyway, and this is Chief Magistrate. I believe yes, Chief Magistrate Justin J is just a bit doing something in his head at the moment. But this just going to ask a question. Does everybody know how the new way of the court system works now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I would like
Okay.
to put a something forward if we can have the old trial in this case because of the substance of documentation we'll be submitting.
Okay, so what's this? Sorry, I don't quite understand.
With the new trial system, we do have an option to go to the old format, the 45-minute
Okay,
format.
so you want to go for
Yes,
the
please.
old? Okay, I'll let Honorable J know that we're doing
That's
the old
completely fine.
one. Okay.
And apologies for that.
Yeah, sure.
You can continue.
Anyway, so we'll go with the old one then. Hopefully we understand that how that works. So just for the prosecution, just a just give me one. Okay, sorry about that, everybody. So if we could get the prosecution to introduce themselves, the name and position or rank, and what the charges are, I'm guessing. But anyway, go ahead, prosecution.
Good evening, Your Honor. I am Crown Prosecutor Samantha Snooker.
Mm-hmm. And you're leading this prosecution, I'm assuming.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and this is your side co-prosecutor, is that correct?
So my co-prosecutor is Student Prosecutor Ellie Smith.
Okay, no problem. And we'll go with the defense. Can you introduce yourselves and I guess just introduce yourselves.
Yes, Arthur Hatzis for the defense for VLA with my client, Mr. Levi Gas.
Okay, thank you. So that's Mr. Levi Gas, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. I'll refer the incidents to give me a few moments.
Before we do anything, just gonna have a chat with the prosecution. With this brief, I believe it's a brief of evidence. Just wondering, you have put evidence in here, but it doesn't seem to be any pictures whatsoever or video evidence. Can you explain that?
I'm looking at the brief of evidence, Your Honor, and there is evidence from Exhibit 1 to Exhibit 3.
Ah,
And the defense
okay.
is happy with the
'cause-
brief.
Okay, okay, no problem.
Which is on pages 7 and 8 of the brief of evidence,
Right.
Your Honor.
Okay. Right. Thank you very much. No problem. It's a very long. Anyway, Exhibit 7, and then just having a little bit of issues here. There's nothing else but Exhibit 1, 2, 3. Is that it?
Yes, Your Honor. There's only Exhibit 1, Exhibit 2, and Exhibit 3.
Okay.
Which Exhibit 1 and 2 are on page 7, and Exhibit 3 is on page 8.
Okay, no problem. Anyway, we'll go with the defense. You wanted to say something? Did you not?
I just want to make sure the prosecutor is ready to proceed. Is that correct?
I believe they may be. Are you ready to proceed with the proceedings, prosecution?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Excuse me, Judge. Since the prosecution is ready to proceed, I'd like to file an emergency motion in relation to this case to dismiss my
You meant to
charges
say,
of
Your
all
Honor.
clients. Due to the, I'll submit that motion for you right now. All right.
So you want to? What was that? Sorry.
If you could submit that for
is
viewing,
submitted,
that would be
yes,
great.
That's correct. It has been submitted, an emergency motion. If you want me to explain the motion, let me know. I'm more than happy to. Otherwise, you can read that motion.
We're happy to read along. If maybe you'd like to also go over it for everyone's sake here in the courtroom, for those that don't have current access, that would be appreciated.
May I proceed to the lectern?
You may.
Thank you. Your Honours, I'd like to put a motion of dismissal, a failure to disclose, and the right to a fair trial. Non-disclosure can violate the principle of equality of arms between the prosecution and the defence. This failure to disclose information that we have requested at 8:15 last night to substantiate my defence and have a proper time to submit the defence brief. The failure to disclose can result in an accusal being unable to prepare for a proper defence, which has happened in this case. Disclosure helps to redress the imbalance, otherwise categorised as the adversarial system and acquisitional system, which investigators and prosecutors have the backing of the state. The prosecution usually enters a criminal trial with two advantages, which is the superior resources of the law book, where my client obviously not categorized in the law book at all times, and having conducted the investigation led to the charges being brought. I like to reference it's responsible of the DPP or the OPP in this case that disclose any information that can help the defence. We have case references R versus Betteri, adopted by the Supreme Court of Victoria in Farquharson, where the policy of the suit is to disclose the accused. Any material is known to them on their sensible appraisal. It is determined that for disclosure of the criminal trials, the prosecution has a duty to disclose all relevant materials, and also from the request of the defence. As magistrate of the 6-7 circuit, Kevin Bell points out the prosecution enters a criminal trial with two advantages. And all relevant material of the accused is material to undermine the prosecution case goes some way in achieving equality of arms between the parties, thus a fair trial. Prosecution general duty of disclosure, a common law, against the Criminal Procedure Act of 2009, on the informant and the prosecution. It's their right to disclose that information that was requested.
Of course, thank you.
Due to the fact is that we believe that we cannot substantiate a fair trial because we don't have the information about the FPO available, the reasonings behind the FPO, and obviously the previous FPO that can build up my character's case, my client's case of character and abiding by previous FPOs. I'll submit that to the court, and for obviously for your discussion and your acceptance of that motion to dismiss with prejudice.
Thank you very much.
Maybe we need to have a chat. Sorry. Sorry, I didn't realize I said that out loud. Sorry. Does the prosecution like to respond to that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mm-hmm.
The prosecution does fail to understand why this motion to dismiss is being put forward. However, due to the time frame of this case, as well as when this case was scheduled last night, there wasn't substantial time for the prosecution to find documents for this FPO. They're trying to look for the documents right before the case. The prosecution did find a bit difficult to do so. Upon several attempts to look through the criminal history as well as the reports that have been filed.
All right, we understand that, Miss Snowcow.
Could I have a right of
However,
rebuttal, please, Judge?
2 seconds, please. If that is the case, Miss Snowcow, and the concern was a restraint on time, can we ask why you were happy to proceed within a 24-hour window?
Also, may I ask who is dealing with this?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Which question am I answering first?
Both. It's like a part two, like 2-in-1 question. Who was dealing with this? And as Honorable Jay just asked his question as well.
The arresting officer for this was Senior Constable Oliver Bernstader.
Okay. Was there any? Sorry to interrupt again. Another question I have. Who was there any OPP there at the time? And if so, who was the representative for the OPP?
Your Honor, both myself and Student Prosecutor Ellie Smith were called to the Vinewood Police Station to undergo mediation, which
Okay.
then brought the case to be scheduled for today under bail.
I'll let you ask the question. Sorry.
Yes, I'm still awaiting an answer to my question initially. If there was a problem with time, Miss Snowcow, why did we accept a 24-hour window? If there was concerns you may not have everything required.
Your Honor, as prosecution did state earlier, it was less than a 24-hour time frame when that information was requested. As I also did state, I tried looking through the MBT records and there was no exact records of a FPO report.
Sorry, can you just repeat those last few words, Miss Snowcow? There was no records of an FPO. Is that the court's understanding here today?
Your Honor, the only thing I see is an arrest report, nothing stating the conditions of FPO.
And let me just guess, you don't know who did that report?
Yes.
Please.
Doesn't say who did the report, who the officer was? Because hopefully the officer did put their name in the report.
Without having access to the MDT, I couldn't tell you who put that report in, Your Honor.
Okay, that's fine. Mr. Hatzis, you had something you wanted to voice a minute ago.
Yes, thank you, Your Honour. The right of rebuttal. Obviously, in relation to this case, that in today's testimony, the OPP is responsible for supplying documents. Also, the OPP is said that they have all the documents required and ready to proceed. We find now that they did not have enough time. My client was happy for an extension if required at that time, but the reason for the late submission is to make sure the OPP has enough time to submit that documentation before the trial, and which obviously failed to do so. In that case, it has put unjust bias against my client and his right to defence, and put a prejudice in this court for making this court being biased as per documents and case findings that I've put in this motion.
Thank you very much.
I think so.
If you don't mind, could we just take a couple of minute recess? I want to speak with my co-counsel here, and we'll be back as quick as we can.
All rise. Let us know if you need anything.
Will do.
You may be seated.
Sam.
Great gun.
Oh, I may have found some stuff.
We can't talk
What?
now. We can't talk right now.
What?
Let's talk later.
Why?
Check email.
I don't understand what is going on.
I do want to say that you guys have got this in the bag.
That's why I didn't supply it. Because I was
Whisper noise, whisper noise, whisper noise.
I just never expected to be two judges. I thought it'd just be one judge.
You have two judges every now and then. I do want to say, defendant, thank you very much for being so cooperative. Bro, he's staying quiet, letting his lawyer talk, like, not any issues. I really appreciate it. The last court case I was in, I got bashed in the cell. We can't hear you, bro.
He's very softly spoken.
Yeah.
Still can't hear you, mate. Sort it out.
the one that
Bloody hell, mate.
that legacy submitted.
Speak up.
That's not the current FTA.
We should be talking, just saying. Shouldn't be being courtly, alright?
I was going off the old one. I was going off the old.
Is that better? Can you see me?
There we go, yeah. Yeah, thank you very much for your cooperation.
No, that's okay. That's okay. So, you know,
The one that I just put in was
not the
the
most
one that I
perfect
put
citizen
in.
here in Melbourne,
But
you know,
No one.
I know that
do
they're
respect
referring to the
people.
other one, which is why I didn't do anything.
You know, I try to do my best.
Goes both
the only-
ways.
Exactly. The only issue, you know, with the police officers and such. That's it.
That's completely
Okay, I will-
understandable.
I will
Look,
bring it
the
up.
last guy I had, he was cuffed to the desk. So right now you're not even in cuffs. You're able to walk around freely. That's how much I trust you.
Okay, I will. Okay,
That's
I
how
will.
much.
Okay, I will.
You've done really well and been very cooperative.
Okay.
If you need any food or water, let me know. I'm happy to grab it for you.
Oh yes, yes, yes. I'm actually about to die of
Because that's the one
starvation.
that I was trying to
Hungry?
find. I couldn't
And some
find it.
water would be good too.
Yeah. Hey Bailey, if you're able to come back for a minute, I'm just gonna go grab the dependent some food and water. Thank you.
Because the old one doesn't exist anymore.
Alrighty, boss. I'll go grab that for you now.
Thank you very much, sir.
No problem. Yeah, just gonna grab the defendant some water and food. Yeah.
I can handle.
Do you reckon you can wait like another 5 minutes? Because we don't think this is gonna take much longer. Or is it urgent? it's urgent,
Like,
I'm happy to go grab you
it's
some
only
food.
just visible. Not gonna lie.
Okay, I'll run.
Alright, thank you. Probably should have had
just
some
run
food
down.
and water before I came here.
That's right.
You may all be seated if you'd like.
Okay. Give me a minute.
Nearly
Shut up.
there. You're nearly there.
Oh my god.
Just a bit back there, Britt.
Mm.
Yeah, back it up. Yeah,
I like to
nearly
use
there.
my first eyes and then go back and then boom.
That's a good
Right.
idea.
I find that easier.
You know what? This will do.
I have a feeling the police might be trying to talk to the OPP because they're standing really close to
This is the motherly line we have to stand back up again.
Mm-hmm.
You are my friend.
Oh, thank you very much.
What's your numbers?
Number 5 today, sir.
There we are. Oh, that was not.
Can you unlock the door for me?
Yeah. Yep, just give me 2 seconds. It's alright, I got plenty. Just the door open.
That should be more than enough. Thank you, sir.
Just in case.
Sorry, Britt. Britt's gonna hate me. Because she just spent so long trying to sit down and she just got bumped. She'll be right.
Return to your post.
Excuse me.
Oh,
Turn.
yeah.
I'm just kidding, I'm kidding.
Turn her. Oh,
I'll go stand over here, it's all good.
get the dog, get the dog. Get him.
That's the exact same one.
Roger.
Damn it.
Hey guys.
Think
can
about
you
All
stand
rise.
From the gallery talking to the prosecution. Thank you.
Your Honours?
Thank you.
Hello, Your Honours.
You may be seated.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much to the two sheriffs. Basically, I'm gonna say a statement. So basically, due to the charges, non-compliance with an FPO, and possess, I believe it's to do with the right. It's mostly to do with the first charge. So, I'm gonna find the defendant not guilty due to the fact that there is no FPO on file. Yes, may. Okay.
Oh,
Hmm? Anyway, okay. So I'm just going to grant the motion due to the fact that there is no FPO. So due to everything that's stated from the defense today, time and lack of FPO record advised by prosecution, we hereby grant a request from the motion to dismiss. If anything further, if you have a problem with this, if you don't like the outcome of this, you can go to the DCV. And then, yeah. But also, the defense has the right to take this to the DCV for civil proceedings. Anyway, this case is hereby dismissed. Have a good evening. Thank you.
Just one last thing, Your Honour. Because he found in the verdict that there's no FBO, can we get the flags removed off his file? And from today, be
So the defense
no
is free
FBO.
to go.
There goes. Can you go speak?
You're all good, my
I
friend?
can't hear you. Your Honour, the defense was trying
Sorry,
to ask you
defense.
something.
One other thing, because in the ruling today that my client has no FPO, we'd like to remove all the flags off his file and to be released as a free man today.
Sure, I'm sure that can be arranged.
Thank you, Your Honour.
I mean, yes, he did have that. I will say he did have the ammunition and the pistol on him, but I mean, depending on, there's a lack of. Even I would imagine if there's something here from the MDT who said that he's licensed, so I don't even have that.
Yes,
So,
there was no weapon in general. It was just ammunition
mm,
in his property at this time, as
yes. So,
OPP's belief. Yes.
anyway, thank you for coming today, everyone. Have a good evening.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you. It's really good as well. Thank
All
you very much.
rise.
Thank you, Your Honour.
Your Honor, can the prosecution and one of the officers approach the bench?
Sure.
Yes. Can we can? Are you cuffed?
No, he's not.
No.
Let's go. We can walk as a free man, mate.
He's all good.
Awesome.
Also, Sheriff, court orders
Yeah.
state that removal FPO. Do you have access to remove that